Moorman instrument. From the beginning, blacks had a passion for rhythm, or to put it another way, their natural attachment to music. Moorman is an ancient tool of blacks. Today's talk is about this tool, an integral part of our culture that has been with us for centuries and which is still the most important source of our solidarity and identity in this day and age, is the pride that has brought love and brotherhood to the world, has presented an ideal example of a relationship. Mogarman is actually an African word, the meaning of which is narrated from our elders that collar. Collar joiner means it. In fact, whenever the beat of a Mughal resounds, as far as its sound reaches from far and wide, whoever is here leaves all his work and comes close to the Mughal. That voice attracts everyone. Dhol has a special place in the life of the Shidis, and especially they have a spiritual bond with the beat of Mughal. The enmities dissipate, and all the people get together and love in a mysterious series. Especially on festive or happy occasions, on moonlight night, Magarman is played by the Brazilian Shidi Brambo. Its rhythm is very similar to Mugarman, and it is also played standing up. Similarly, the Caribbean Shidis call it Bata and play it at various festivals. In India, our Shidis play it on the occasion of Baba Gors or they associate four drums with Magarmar called Mosinda and Jalapa. There must be four of them. Besides, when the rhythm of the planes rings the drums, there are three numbers, one of which is called Rahmani and the other two are called Kesar. The Brazilian Shidi also uses three drums to play Utabaco, in which the big drum is called rum, the middle drum is called rumpi, and the small drum is called li. In the African country of Zanzibar, regular music is played. In Sudan, there is a large-scale dhamal called Sufi dance, which they mention. Their rhythm is similar to that of Dhamal here, in which there is no even the slightest difference. There is a kind of emotional state in the rhythm of the Magarman or the bird that plays with it, and this sound is prominent in other playing instruments along with it. The songs we call adjectives have a special effect on it. There are three main types of Mogarman rhythms. The first of which is the Keto, which consists of three rhythms in the classical type and requires considerable skill to play. Not everyone can play this rhythm. It requires exercise. What is mentioned in this rhythm is called Mawai, and this Mawai consists mostly of questions and answers. It also includes many mankabs. The second type, Lurs, is simple rhythm, which is also commonly called plain. Due to its simplicity, this rhythm is played in the Tarbia pattern, which is more playful. In this style, zikr is mentioned first, and later songs of happiness also become a part of it. So, when this style reaches its peak, all the Shidi are associated with a state of consciousness. The third type of style, commonly called Dhamal, is considered to be the mother of the Leva style. There are many similarities between the way it is played. The sum of Dhamal is found in the same way in every way. The mention of Dhamal is in Swahili, Sindhi, Urdu, which are late in understanding due to the accent. Along with Moghurman, there are other instruments in which Nafil, which is made of seashell, Malunga, is a star-like instrument played by our Shidi brothers in India. Misr, which is like a jhunjhuna, which is called shikhar in English. There is a slight difference in the rituals of Shidi Dhamal in Karachi and Sindh, but the series is the same. Internal Sindh also plays Dhamal in Rajab and Shaban. Nafil is usually played at shrines by the Malang type people. Seeing this, the idea of Shehnai emerged, which is used with great skill, especially by Zanjbari, while the charm of this voice attracts him and his tone is a melody of unity. Be sure to comment on how you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.